其实只有一个宗教，宗教在梵语来说叫达玛啦。但是因为人他有不同的这个观念，有不同的这个思维方式和观念，所以呢，就好像是很多的宗教，但真正的宗教只有一个巴图纳塔库所说的。
Actually, when you discuss about dharma, but what is the nature of the dharma? When any substance manifest, we see nature inside it.
基本上嘛，就说过了，当我们物质展示的时候，这个物质的特质
Yeah. I like give an example as the water. This water, when you are saying this water, that is hydrogen oxygenation. That is called H2O.
叫 H2O 了，对，H2O 化学
So now when water manifests, that nature inside in there.
对了，当水展示的时候，水的特质已经在这里了。
Now what is the spontaneous nature of the water?
那水的特质是什么呢？水的特质是什么呢？
Water always is, that is called the liquidity. Liquidity, this is the nature of the water.
它是流动的水的特质。
And, but same
同样的，
water
对，
coming in the low temperature, that time his nature transferred
水温
liquidity to then solid.
比较水温低的时候，水就变成固体。
So that means this solidity, not the spontaneous nature of the water.
但是固体，是不是说是改变不是水的呢？
Again you give the high temperature,
加温了，
that time that the water with solidity, that time you gave your name,
变成
that is, no, that is called ice coming. Liquidity to ice, solidity coming.
如果你这改
Solid.
温度呢，它又
Low temperature giving,
变成
solid coming.
对吧？
That you are saying not water, give not name water. You are giving the name
我们就只是
ice.
名称，
Before was
它叫冰了，
water.
之前它
Are now giving the low temperature.
从水到冰，
Then transfer his liquidity to solidity.
就是从流动
Then
的变成固体了，所以从水
again you give the high temperature, then that ice transfer his previous nature.
又回到它原本的状态，就是水的状态，
Eh?
水的。
Understand? Then you say this is the water. So thus this is the, in the same way, Lord is one. This is true.
神只有一个，
God is one.
神只有一个。
But according to the different people, their realization, they are saying God has no form, Nirakar, Nirvises, Niranjan.
说神是没有形象的，
Actual God form is what? Very nice, beautiful form. His name is called God, G-O-D.
神叫 GOT 的，
He is generator,
他是创造，
operator, and blessed.
然后他是人也，
But different people, their realization.
但是有不同的人有不同的
So
对神的认识，
they are thinking God is just effulgence.
有些人认为神只是他的那个风采，
Some are thinking God is called as like Paramatma, super soul.
是超灵，有些人认为神就是超
So
灵，
these things are those who have self-realization, perfect realization. They realize God has a nice, beautiful form.
自我觉悟的完全是我觉悟的呢，他们认为
So according to the realization, different philosophers, they explain different form of the God. Eh? And those who are, what is called, Advaitavadi, they are thinking God is just effulgence. Jyotirmaya Brahma. Jyotirmaya Brahma. They are thinking. God has no form, only full of effulgence. Are those who are Paramatmavadi? They are thinking God is called the Paramatma super soul who resides in the heart of all the living entities. Are those fully realized about Lord? Then they looking at these three things. Jyotirabhantare Dibhujo Muralidhara Samo Sundara. They realize. There's fully realization and Purna Anubhuti. So that time they are looking the how is beautiful form of Lord. And he has three band folds, Trivanga Lalit, and two hands, and he plays the flute. He is looking this way. Everything depends on the realization. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam quoted this verse. Vadanti tattva vidas tattam jaj gyanamadhyam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti sabdate. Lord is one. This is true. But he has three aspects. Brahma, Paramatma and God. Bhagavan. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. So this conditional soul who has not complete realization, so giving the different their definition, different these things. Actually, when who has complete realization, they call Purna Anubhuti, then he realizes how is the beautiful form of God. This is the for this. For this regard, according to the realization, they explain their philosophy, and people also running towards behind to them. Those are Advaitavadi. Their realization not complete. For these are thinking, oh, this is just effulgence. What is God? What is Lord? That is called Jyotirma. Jyotirma, they are thinking Jyotirma. Only thus light. Actually, they are thinking according to their realization, they are also true. Because they realize only light. 400 watts bulb. Very powerful bulb. The light is coming. You cannot see the bulb. Only you see is what? Light. So you will be say, oh, here is no bulb, nothing. Only light. But this light is coming from where? They did not give answer. Because they are only partly realization. Which is the effulgence of the body of Lord. That is your Brahma. Brahma Samhita also explained this way. Very clearly explained this, Brahma Samhita. Gyanis, according to the knowledge, they realize Lord is full of, what is called, light. Jyotirmaya Brahma. Are those who are more realization than Advaitavadi? They are saying this is called Paramatma super soul, who resides in the heart of all the living entities. Yatha Angushtivat. What is the form of Paramatma? Yatha Angushtivat. Angushtivat as the size of thumb. So saying this way. So they are Paramatma Badi. Others complete realization, Purna Anubhuti. They are looking how is beautiful form of Lord. So for this regard, different realization, different religion coming in this way. And conditional soul, they are running here and there also. They discuss about different religion. Actual religion is one, dharma is one. And another also, conditional soul, they completely illustrated by Maya. So for this regard, they can understand this. Everything depends on realization. So for this regard, always saying this word, self-realization is the best realization. Atma-anubhuti. And this is the thing. 1,000 times if you tell to the Advaitavadi and impartialists, don't go to the effulgence of the Lord. They don't know, we like. We like to merge in Brahma. But if they merge in Brahma, not so easy to come back. So for this regard, they also preach this is Brahmavadi, Advaitavadi, their religion this. Paramatmavadi, they realize Paramatma is super soul. So they discuss about Paramatma Tattva. But was a completely, absolutely self-realized person. They say how is beautiful form of Lord. They can see Brahma with the effulgence of the body. They realize about Paramatma, super soul, who resides in the heart of the living entity. And they also say how is beautiful form of Lord. So this is for this. For this regard, they preaching different way. According to the Rasa Vichar also, the conception of the mellows. Understand? Rasa Vichar. First I told about Tattva Vichar. Understand? Tattva Vichar is there. One is called Tattva Vichar, another is called Rasa Vichar. Tattva Vichar, what they are saying, that is true. We cannot against to them. They are not wrong. Because according to their realization, they are saying. A Rasa Vichar also, now coming in the Rasa Vichar. Every living entities, they have different their, what is called, taste of the Rasa. Understand? Mellows. Taste. Even our tongue also has. Inside the tongue, 6 places, 6 types of taste coming. Look this. You can see some place also bitter, some place sweet, some place what is called salty, different, sour, salty, kosai, anjan. This taste also different. So that means this in this material world, the jivas, the variety is also there. Lord, He creates all the living entities different taste, process is there. All here many kinds of preparation. Just I give an example. But according your taste, you like these things. Some people they like Kerala. Kerala, understand? Bitter. Some people they like sweet. Or some people they like chili. If you go India, Indian people they like chili. Understand? When we travel in India, Indian people saying, I did not put any chili in this old sabji. But when you get why this is little bit hot, spicy? Oh, little bit I gave. Look. Listen this. So in the same way, different people, different taste is there also. So in the same way, Lord, He creates all the living entities. Different rasas, mellows also there. Shanto, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya rasa is there. Main rasas, how many rasas? 12. 12 rasas is there, mellows. But 5 that is called primary rasas, and 7 that is called secondary rasas. And Shanto, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. This is called 5 primary rasas. Or 7 secondary rasas. Hassa, Adbhut, Karun, Veer, Vivatsa. And in this way. Rasas. But 5 primary rasas is very prominent. Coming in this way. So some jivas, they are inside the rasas. There is Santaras. That giving example as like Sanak, Sanatan and Sanatan. Chatushran. They are called Santaras. First they want to merge in Brahma. But by the causeless mercy of Brahmaji, then Brahmaji prayed to Lord Vishnu. Then Lord Vishnu sent very sweet fragrance from the Tulasi Makaranda which offered to the feet of Lord. Then 4 Kumaras, they gave up the meditation of Brahma, how to merge in Brahma. Actually, they are called Santaras. And Santaras under that's a neutral mood. There is only one qualification Santaras, that is called Nishtha, steadiness. This is the platform of our and to realizing the mellows. Santa Nishtha. Some jivas, they are called also Dasaras inside there. The Dasaras jiva. Dasaras 2 qualifications. Santas Nishtha, steadiness, and second, servitual mood, Seva Vritti. This Seva Vritti, that is spontaneous nature of the living entities. This is true. You cannot stay in the place of neutral place. You cannot stay. It is impossible. If you stood on the tip of the one, what is called stick, how long you will stay? You will be khade rahoge. How long? You will remain in standing on the tip of the stick. No shelter, nothing. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, not less than this. Then you have to down. Understand? So neutral, this is called actually not the spontaneous nature of the jiva. But when we discuss about rasa tattva, some jivas are santaras. But santaras qualification, one qualification, nishtha, steadiness of his istadeva. Sanaks, that is the example of Chatushan, 4 Kumaras, they are Nishtha. Are Dasaras 2 qualifications. Nishtha and Dasat Seva Vritti. But that Seva Vritti, 2. One is called Madhurya Seva and is called Opulent Seva. What is that? Hanuman, he knows. Ramchandra, he is Bhagavan. He knows this. So it is Bhagavad Buddhi in the heart of Hanuman. He is servicing. He is Istadev Ramachandra. But which mood? An opulence mood. Or that is called Oishwarya Yukta Dasa. What is it? Oishwarya Yukta Dasa. They will do. This mood. Eh? Servitual mood. This is true. But he's thinking he is Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? He has two qualifications again. He is called Atmaram and Aptakam. Self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. Eh? When you say he is Bhagavan, Lord is God, God is Bhagavan, Ramchandra is Bhagavan, that time two qualifications coming in there automatically. That is called Atmaramata and Aptakamata. Self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. But Lord is very merciful. Though he is Atmaram Aptakam, he accepts the service from his devotee. Understand this? So Dasaras, two qualifications coming. One is called Santas Nishtha or Dasa Seva Vritti. But this Seva Vritti mixed with opulence, Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddha. Lord has no need to accept the service, but he accepts my service according to my desires. Lord is, for this they are saying, Lord is not hungry. Lord is hungry or not? When you say he is Lord, he is not hungry. He is not thirsty. But when his devotee offer water, then he is drinking. What do you mean? Krishna coming. What is it called? Thirst coming automatically. This way. Lord is not hungry. And if you give food, then his hungerness coming. So he is called Atmaram Aptakam. This is the one. So Brajavasis, for this regard, Brajavasis, the residents of Braj, they never think that Krishna is Bhagavan. Try to understand this. Brajavasi, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna, he is our family member. Loki Sadbandhuvat Priti. They make friendship with Krishna as like their families. Family members. Tad dukhe dukhi, tad sukhe sukhi. If Krishna is unhappy, they also become unhappy. Or if Brajavasi be unhappy, also Krishna is unhappy. Krishna doing this Leela also. So now this third stage, that is called Sakha Bhav. Sakhas is what? Three qualifications coming. Santos Nishtha, Dasa Seva Vritti, tendency to serve, or another qualification, this is friendship mode. As like Subal Sridham, they are the example of Sakha Bhav. How Subal Sridham, they have Nishtha with Krishna. Bhakti is, this is the main thing, Nishtha. Nishtha is upajaya premera taranga. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Your bhakti prem will be manifest when your Nishtha will come. Nam Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha, Guru Nishtha. Then you will develop your sadhana. If you have no Guru Nishtha, no Bhajan Nishtha, actually all your activities are zero. Zero. If you are not Nishtha, what will get fruits? Only get fruit some Sukriti. Only Sukriti will get. Understand? Nishtha is very important. Understand? Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, always again and again, he repeated this verse. Guru Nishtha, that is called backbone of your sadhana bhajan. If you are not backbone, you cannot stand up. Understand? So Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, that is called the backbone of our sadhana and bhajan. So always Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, every class, he giving the emphasis about Nishtha. If you have no Guru Nishtha, so how do your bhajan and sadhana? Zero point you are. Just you getting some sukriti. You are servicing, this is true. Get only sukriti. Many millions birth, acquire collect the sukriti. Maybe you will get association with sadhu sangha, with the association with sadhu, and properly association with sadhu, then your nishtha will come. Otherwise not. So nishtha is very important. And people, they not understand. When we discuss these things, nishtha, that time they become very angry because they are stupid. Nishtha is very important. Nam nishtha. And every day you have to chant holy names, fixed round. You chant less, no problem. But fixed round. Nam nishtha kam. Every day chant mantra nishtha. Isn't it? If you not chant mantra every day, one day chanting, another day not chanting mantra, so what benefit you will get? No. So Nam nishtha, mantra nishtha, guru nishtha. And you read Gurudev Srinarayan Goswami Maharaj, all classes, and he also giving the emphasis this word, nishtha. Nishtha, Sanskrit word. This means completely, stha dhatu, verbal root, tamani, fixed. Answer, Nam nishtha. Guru nishtha, seva nishtha. Seva, servicial, seva nishtha. So now coming in this way, Sakara has how many qualifications? 3. Santas nishtha, dasa seva vritti, or his own, that is called friendship mood. Seva vritti. Or then coming second, fourth stage, Vatsalabha, parental mood. Parental mood, there again 4 qualifications is coming. Santas nishtha, dasa seva vritti, Sakha's friendship mood, and Vatsalabha's own parental mood. Vatsalabha. 4 qualifications is there. Or Madhurya mood, 5 qualifications. Santas nishtha, dasa seva vritti, or Sakha's friendship mood, or Vatsalabha's parental mood, and his own Madhurya's own, that is called Priya Priyatam Bhav, lover and beloved mood is there. Look this. So for this regard, different people, different their taste, different is coming in this way. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur now coming in this way. If God is one, now our question, answer is giving. Finally, if God is one, if every religious, if you believe God is one, why many religious come? Actually, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in his very nice, beautiful Grantha. You read, that is called Sri Krishna Samhita Grantha. What is his name? Singha Samhita Grantha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Grantha. He explained. In this material world, we see many religious people. They are preaching different way. This is a true wrong. But mainly when we see the 5 very prominent religions. First is coming, that is called Buddhism. Buddhism. What Buddhism is teaching to us? Buddha, what they are teaching? Who is the real Buddhism? Ahimsa Parama Dharma. Non-violence is the great virtue. Actually, who preached this non-violence is the great virtue? Lord Krishna, Vishnu himself. So for the Jayadev Goswami has written, Buddham Sarirang Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Buddham, who is manifested in the form of Buddha, original Buddha, that is called Vishnu. Buddham Sarirang Jaya Jagadisha Hari. just Jagadish Krishna himself, he manifested in the form of Buddha, and he teaching to us how to meditate to Lord. Then, and he that time need what is it? Ahimsa Parama Dharma. Non-violence is the great virtue. Actually, this is your deal. If you meditate to Lord, not servitual mood, that is called Santaras. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Actually, Buddhism, origin Buddhism, they preach about Santaras. Neutral. And you meditate. Meditate. No servitual mood, but their nishtha with their Istadev. Showing the same, the Buddham. This, their knowledge is there. Understand this? So for this regard, they preach about Santaras, that is called Dhyan, meditation, this way. You meditate, but not servicing. No servicial mood. No speaking. Just to close your eyes and do this. And when you are hungry, then take a prasad. What for this you can know? Santaras, these are. Second, Dasaras. Which religion preaching about Dasaras? What is called? Judaism. Judaism. Their Judaism, they explain about Dasaras. Sheva Vritti. They are servicing. They serve to their, actually their dharma is there in their dharma, in their grantha. Explain. They have to serve to God. Seva. Then third, that is called Sakharas. That is explained in, and that is called Holy Quran. Origin, if you read Holy Quran, explained about the friendship mood is there. But people, they not completely understand the Quran's, what is called Quran. So they giving that different way, they give explanation. If you ask to the who is the, what is called real and following the Quran, that's in the friendship mood. And Sakha Bhav is there also. Now people, they are different way, misunderstanding and what is called interpreted own conception. For this regard, they disturb the people. Actual Holy Quran and discourses about friendship mode. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. I am not saying that is called friendship mode is there. And now coming fourth, the religion that is called Christianism. Christian, what they are preaching? That is a Vatsalya Bhav. They believe all the living entities, they are the sons and daughters of God. God is our Father. Bible everywhere, many places explain God is our Father, or we are His sons and daughters. Vatsalya Bhav is not. If you think He is my Father, what is the mood is coming? Vatsalya Bhav. Friendship, what is called? Parental mood, or motherhood mood coming or not? Our Shastra is saying, Tameva Mata, Tameva Pita, Tameva Bandhu, Sakascha Tameva. Tameva Vidya, Tameva Deva Darvinam. That's just, this saying in this way. Lord is one. Some they are thinking, if He is my mother, He is my father. He is my friend. Tameva mata, tameva pita, tameva bandhu. Lord is one. But different conception, thinking this way. So actual Christianism, they are preaching about Vatsalya Bhav. Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely, he gives the respect, all the religion. People dare not understand, this is another thing. Understand? They preaching different way, misguide the people. Our Vedas, Puranas, Srimad Bhagavatam discourses about Madhurya Bhav. This is the topmost mood. This is the mood of the Brajavasis mood. Brajavasis, those who are living in Golok Vrindavan. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajam. That is called mood of conjugal mood. Madhurya Bhav. Madhurya Bhav is divided into, one is called wife and husband mood, that is called Sakya Bhav. Or another is called Parakya Bhav, lover and beloved mood. Look this. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached this mood, highest mood. Aradho Bhagavan Brajisatana Tadhamang Vrindavanam Ramma Kachid Upasana Brajabudhu Varganaja Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Amalang